It's been blowing hard, so we have to shift positions, but we're in a good spot. We're gonna see something. What's it? He's making a scrape on this big tree. Making a buck run right there on the tree. Just don't move quiet. Get ready, he's gonna come out real quick. This thing's freaking wrapped up. I'll stop it. Get ready, I'll stop it. Me. Did you get him? Yeah, I got him. He's down. Got him. He's down. Right there. Hold on.
Me.
You're finishing. Put it on a short and put it right in the heart. Put it right in the heart. Oh. Good. Alright. He's down.
Nice 8-point. Happy.
Yep.
Got a nice buck.
First day of rifle. Got a good 8. Alright. Keep watching our videos.